iron sheets, steel frames, and wait a minute. Steel sheets is 0.5. Something's wrong with that. That doesn't make any sense. That's okay, I can fix that. What we're gonna do is find the mod, which seems to have flown the coop here. Shit, what the fuck is it? Electronic printer, auto lathe, printer, mod. Alright, before I add this, something's not kosher. What the fuck is going on here? 4 iron. 4 iron and 1 iron. What the hell is going on with these numbers? Steel uses 0.5 for the sheets and 1 for the frame. There should be 2 iron. I don't like that. I'm putting 2 in there. 2 iron for the frames. 1 iron for the sheets. Invar should be the same. It should be 1 for the frame. No. It should be 2 for the frame. And 1 for the sheets. This is iron. Okay. And for steel, it should be only got 0.5 steel. I don't like that either. I think it should be the same mass. I think it should be 1 and 2. 1 for the sheet and 2 for the frame. That's what I think. So let's put 1 for the sheet, 2 for the frame. And we'll do the same for the tier 2. 1 invar and 2. Okay, now the big test. So when I mod this up, I'm guessing it's going to get rid of, I don't know what it's going to do. Maybe it's going to break the game and I can go have a drink and say, I'm done with this game. What am I supposed to use here? can never remember this. Oh my god, I can never effing remember how to do this. Autolathe printer mod. You gotta use a tool, and this is the one thing that they don't tell you what to use. Oh my god, I can't remember. I've gone through every tool and I can't figure it out. Again. Shit. It says a welding torch. That's what I had. What's going on? Why isn't it working? Auto lathe printer mod. Oh my god. It's already upgraded. Fuck. Oh my freaking god, this is all screwed up. I gotta start this game again. I gotta do this again. I wonder if I have to build a completely new auto lathe printer. I think I have to dismantle the whole thing is what I think I have to do. Actually, you know what I could probably do? I might be able to go back. Let's go back to here. It's probably upgraded there too. At least it's working. I'm not getting the errors. And it's upgraded. I think I gotta deconstruct. I'm just gonna deconstruct this whole thing. torch. Cable coil. Welding torch, plastic. Screwdriver. Okay, all we can do is pray or something. I don't know. It's got a bad feeling it's not working. No errors, and it's not working. The iron sheets. Wait. The iron sheets. I am totally fucking baffled right now. The iron sheets are the only ones showing up. And they're obviously duplicated. That makes absolutely no sense whatsoever. The iron frames should be there. Items, steel sheets, steel frames. Items, steel sheets, steel frames. I'll have to figure. I may have to figure this one out tomorrow or another day. Let's put the mod on. Steel frames, steel sheets. Iron frames, iron sheets. Oh my fucking god. Are you fucking kidding me right now? I'm look at this. Jesus. Can I get a break? What the fuck? Oh. Is it on the top? I don't even know. I could have sworn I put it on top. It is. I don't know what's wrong. Everything seems to be screwed up now. Yeah, I don't know. It's another problem I'm gonna have to deal with, work out or something. I think it has to do with the name, the same name. Or if I, wait, what if I delete, if I delete this, delete this, and I got steel sheets and steel frames, tier 2. One more for the Gipper. I can't believe I've streamed 12 hours. Oh my god. It's not because I'm dedicated or that I like this game, believe me. It's more of the idea of wanting to accomplish certain goals, and because if I don't do it, most of it now, I'll never get to a point where I'll be able to continue it. I think I'm at that point now where I can stop. Uh, let's go back. Let's go back to 2. I don't even know if the printer's even made then. It should be. I probably won't stream tomorrow. Oh god, what? No, I don't want default weather. Do I have? I have a printer. Wait, I don't even want that. Oh, look, we got a bare bones printer just sitting here. Oh, do we get power? Let's put some batteries in here. Nothing like a nuclear battery. Turn this crap off. Fire this bad boy up and see what happens here. Still. Oh my fucking god. What is wrong with this? There's no steel sheets, no steel frames, no iron frames. Alright, I'm just gonna throw that over there. Alright. Iron frames. Iron. Iron. The Invar is totally gone now. and it's at the top. What the fuck did I do? I mean, what did I do wrong? What did I do different, you know? The only thing I did different was I loaded the whole auto lathe thing in there. I don't have any of the Invar stuff in there because the tier 2 is not working. For that item. And I don't know if it has to be researched. Let me think. So I got the nuclear battery. That was already there. No, it's not there. Huh. I don't know. I sort of had it working. And then the Invar stuff was there. Now that's all gone. But I didn't. But the only difference that I did was I loaded the whole thing in, because I thought you had to load the entire XML for the auto lathe. And it's sitting right there at the top. I'm going to put it at the bottom. Let's load this number 3 up again. Or is it 2? See, if yours is at the top, I think you have to include everything. If it's at the bottom, you don't have to include everything. That's why I just don't like it up there. I want the game to have more control. Still no luck here. Let's try to put this mod on, see if something happens. I'll be goddamn. That shouldn't even be there. I don't know. I'm just totally baffled. I don't know. I just can't figure it out. I'm gonna have to call it quits and work on that tomorrow or something, and just do the half a thing or something. Or if I just do, see if it's on the bottom, you would think that I'm gonna do something drastic here. Let's do, let's get rid of iron frames, Invar, tier 2, iron sheets. Let's get rid of all this. Iron frames, iron sheets, tier 2. And it should be at the bottom. And without the mod kit, it should it should only show up. It should replace the ones that's in the mod kit. I can't even fucking say it because 12 freaking hours. I can't even say what I'm trying to talk about. Or maybe it didn't even load because I gotta unload it completely. I say it has to be at the bottom. That's what I say. So if I put it at the bottom, my stuff's only going to show up wait a minute. It's not going to show up. It's not going to show up. It has to be at the top. Because it has to override the 2 items supposedly that only show up in when the mod kit is added. Or maybe what I've got to do is I have to take this printer apart. Or I've got to build a completely new printer. I've had that same problem happen when I was playing the other game. The same identical problem. And, well, I don't know if Take on Mars is a Unity game or not. I think I'm probably just going to go ahead and... Let's see here. I'm just going to build a new printer because I don't think it's going to work. Let's see. Well, we got that sitting there. Let's see. Auto. Item kit, auto lathe. I don't want oven. Item kit, auto lathe, right there. I don't need this shit there. Alright, let's just put it right here somewhere. Melting torch. Plastic sheets. Screwdriver. Hand drill. Need that. I hate it when he has to run around with his tool and that thing flashes up in his face. Alright, here goes nothing. I ought to just disconnect that altogether. My god, there's no iron and no steel. Wait, there's no... Oh god, is my dying? Oh my god, no! Oh my fucking god. Where's the thing? He fell asleep, but I woke his ass up. Where did I put it at the top. When you put things at the top, everything else is there. That's what I don't understand. All this other stuff is here, but it's not on that list that I have. I didn't even mess with the steel. It's just the iron that I have in there. Oh god, you don't think I did something with the main file? I couldn't have. Iron frames, iron sheets, plastic, blah, 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 blah. Steel sheets, steel frames, blah, blah, blah. It's all there. Iron frames, iron sheets. That's all I have in here. Even the steel ones are not showing up. This is... It's just... Seems like it's screwed. Tier 2. Alright, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna delete this whole freaking thing out here. And just leave it empty. But what I am gonna do, I'm gonna save this. I'm gonna call it AAA. Because I need to be rescued. I want that survival kit at the bottom. Wait, did I put it back in? Alright. Let's go with AAA. AAA saves the day. Oh, God in heaven. Oh my God. What do I gotta do? Make another one? There isn't even anything there. It's empty. It's totally freaking empty. I'm gonna have to delete the whole file because I don't know what to do here. I saw the stuff there. And then it just slowly disappeared. Right into effing oblivion. Alright, there. Auto lathe is gone. Have a nice day. Yeah, I'm gonna sleep good tonight. That other game, Take on Mars, you had to replace the factory. Anytime you made a change to it, you had to get rid of it and build a new factory, or the change wouldn't take place. What the fuck is going on? Am I totally fucking stupid? It's not there. It acts like it was removed in the main file, and it's not. It's right there. I'm looking right at it. Iron frames. What the fuck? I think some weird fucking shit's happening here. It's like I'm right back to square one. I can't do anything. 4 freaking hours on this particular problem. And it's just gone. I don't know why. I wonder if it's the whole game. Maybe the game and the memories played so far into the memory that there's no cache left or some stupid shit. I'm gonna restart the whole game. Because that file is not there, and then the main file is right there. It says update required. Oh my fucking god. No. It's a small one. So what was that update all about? Well, when I load it up maybe I should load it up without the mod. There's no errors. I'm gonna load it without the mod. Oh my god, why the fuck is that version red? That's like saying I have to start a whole new game for it to work or some stupid shit. Alright, I deleted. I'm not using my mod now. Everything's there. Yeah, hunky dory. I don't know why that's red. I'll have to look at the stream. Alright. I'm putting the mod back in without the auto lathe. Boy, everything's frigged up over here. Because that's what it was. It was just a mod with no auto lathe. And there was nothing there. Maybe the little gremlins are in there gribbling around, you know? What the holy hell is this? What? No, I don't need Stellite glass sheets. Did they just add that? Two grams of silicon and a gram of... This is just 2 grams of silicon. Maybe it's some, oh, what the hell you call it? Custom upgrade or some stupid crap. Alright, I'm gonna bring back... Wait, that's... Let's see what this one is here. Oh shit. What the hell did I just do? Oh, here it is. Alright, this is the whole thing again. Iron frames, iron sheets, normal. I'm just gonna leave it, not gonna touch anything there. Steel sheets, steel frames, normal. This is before I did any changes. Alright, let me see here. Oh, all my tier 2 shit's fucking gone. Oh my god, why am I getting all these errors? Stellite glass sheets. They added stellite glass sheets in here. Right when I'm freaking trying to do something. Alright, I'm gonna get rid of all this shit here. Again. Auto lathe recipes. Steel frames, steel sheets. Fuck. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take the steel sheets and the steel frames, and I'm gonna make them tier 2. Not permanently. What the hell just happened? Recipe data. Oh my god, why is this red? What the holy... What is going on? Why is this red? I don't know why this is red. Alright, good. So, if I put the steel sheets at tier 2... Oh my god, did the stream just die? They shouldn't show up at the beginning. And I want to make... God, I can't do this. I want to add something. Listen to that damn fucking refrigerator. Iron frames, iron frames. Tier 2. Invar. Invar. I'm just going to leave it like that. I'm going to mess with the numbers. I'm done looking at it. So with my mod at the bottom, nothing should be affected. I wonder if I have to start a whole new game now. I mean, I saw it working. I was looking right at it when it said that. Now, this makes absolutely no fucking sense. Mine is at the bottom. Okay? The core is at the top. Everything should be there like it was before. Now it's not. I wonder if they did something in the updates. Oh, no, this is not correct. Hello? Let me look at that. Did I... Oh, let's just do something here. Because I'm right at the end of my rope here. Now, if my guess is right, I'm only going to see what I put on there, plus the tier 2 stuff. That's... Now the iron frames show up. Iron sheets. Okay. The tier 2 stuff is not there. The tier 2 stuff was just the steel and it showed up. That's fine. I can't duplicate. I can't have the same items in the with different tiers. I'll have to solve that problem tomorrow because right now I'm gonna have tiers. Yeah, we gotta end on a happy note or something like that. If mine's at the bottom and the tier 2 stuff showed up, it'll replace what was there before. But I gotta have everything in that list. Let me see something. If I hit undo. Wait, what did I just do? Fuck. Let me go back and grab. Wait, just hold everything because I'm gonna do this. I think there's a light at the end of the tunnel. So everything below. What the effing hell just happened? I just double clicked. Oh my god, you gotta be kidding me. You know what I did? I think I changed the main file. Because of that stupid fucking notepad. I'll have to undo everything. That's what I did. I figured that would happen sooner or later. But I think I can get it back. Jesus. Unfucking believable. I can't believe I did that. After 12, 13 hours, almost 14, 13 hours of streaming, there I just got it back. Okay, I should probably save this. Okay, copy. I don't know what that is. Alright, get rid of this shit here. Alright, we're in the right file now. So, I'm gonna do the same thing I just did. Actually, so if I leave, oh, wait, see, that's what I wanted to do, isn't it? I wanted to change, oh, I see what I do. Alright, so, let's do this here. We're going to change this. This is frames. We're going to change this to 2. Now I need my tier 2 crap here. Copy. Paste. Let me think here. I think I have an idea. I want to give it a whirl. What the heck? So iron frames, iron sheets. So I'm just making tier 2, and then when it goes to tier 2, then it does that, blah 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 blah. Get rid of that. Alright, item steel sheets is going to be so yeah. Okay, maybe. trim steel sheets, tier 2, blah, 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 blah. I guess that was a lost hour's worth of work because I was dealing with the vanilla file in the game instead of my mod file. Not too bright. Alright. Now, there's a problem here. Because now the steel frames are not going to show up. Unless I make... You know what? I think... Let's see, let me think. I think that thing's in the pipe bender. Or is it in electronics? Now I gotta look for that. Let's see. Electronics. Search. Find. Mod. Auto lathe printer mod is in electronics, but it requires steel. Oh God, it requires... It requires the stuff that you have to have for the other furnace. My God. Why wouldn't this work? Why don't I have... I should have steel. What am I... Let me just think here, because I think it's gonna work. Wait, that's... Okay, let's just get rid of that. Get rid of that. Now I'm in the correct file. Let's go ahead and delete all this shit here. Iron frames, invar. Iron sheets, invar, tier 2. Steel sheets, tier 2. Invar. Okay. I don't see why this shouldn't work. The steel sheets should show up because my mod is on the bottom. Now, it didn't show up before because I messed with the whole file. I messed with the wrong file. That's why that little discrepancy occurred. Oh my God. It's time to call it a night, Deb, you know, like 6 hours ago. That explains why everything was missing, because I was dealing with the wrong file. So now it's not the game. It's not the game file, it was the other. So everything should be there. It should be there. If it's not, I'm gonna rage quit. I'm never gonna play this game again. Oh my god. It's not there. The iron sheets, the stuff is not there, even though I put tier 2 in the effing thing. Let's see what happens when I put the mod on. Alright. The stuff is there. And the only way that it's going to be there is if it's got the invar, because this is tier 2. So let's see what happens. Are you fucking kidding me? That's tier 1. Even the fucking steel is tier 1. Well, then I'm going to go back and put my mod at the top. That doesn't make any sense. I can't even logically understand why this has to be this way. But this is the last straw right here. If the core stuff is at the top, I didn't do anything with those files. They're there. They should show up. And they're still not there. Now let's see if my modded file will show up. If the modded file doesn't show up, I'm totally at a loss. Because it worked at the very beginning. Maybe I'm gonna have to go back and look at the stream and find out. I don't know. Alright, here we go. Let's see what happened. My god, something's working. Iron frames, invar, 2. Iron sheets, invar, 1. Steel sheets, invar, 2. Steel sheets, invar, 1. Okay. So now the only problem is to get I don't think it's gonna work. If I put my file on there at the top, and then I go to I don't think it's gonna work. I'm good now, but I gotta get the steel sheets needs to be in the beginning. And the only way to do that is to add that file. Alright, let's put this one over here. So if I do the iron sheets, iron frames, put this at the top. Might as well change that too. So it's 2 to 1. Now I've got to move the steel sheets and the steel frames, which is backwards. I ought to just freaking change that too. And for brevity, that's exactly what I'm going to do too. So I got, wait, this is supposed to be on top of this. Cut. Paste. So I got 2 steel frames. So I got one steel sheet. Oh my fucking god. I'm telling you, I should have become a fucking gamer programmer because these guys are not consistent. Frames and sheets. Frames and sheets, frames and sheets, frames and sheets. Frames and sheets 2-1. Invar 2-1. Tier 2. 2-1. Steel. Tier 1. 2-1. Tier 2. Shall we try it again? Let's just get rid of both of them files. So it's got to be at the top. And I had to add, wait a minute. Why? I don't understand why I have to add those files. Because if I have to add those files, what about all the rest of them? They're all sitting there, you know? It doesn't make any sense. I'm adding iron sheets. Oh, wait. Maybe the tier 2 listing for the same item is covering up the tier 1 item. And that's why it has to be put back in. And the other stuff is all there because there's nothing tier 2 in there. Oh my fucking god, look at this error. This is a simple error. This has to be a simple error right here, okay? We're not even going to look at that. That's got to be a typo. Of course, I would have deleted that. Let's see here. Okay, why did this get moved? I can't deal with this. There's 2 recipe datas there. Why is that there? That needs to be removed. That's why I put spaces between my shit. They've got everything all crammed right in together. And then, as a matter of fact, when you finalize a program, you're supposed to concatenate everything, or whatever the hell the word is. You just jam everything all together, and it actually works faster. So I found that error. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm just that good, hey, you know. I think this is it. I think this is going to work. I don't know why I haven't had this like this before, but it's this idea about putting the mod at the top and trying to... It doesn't make any sense, because if the core mod... It has to do with duplicate copies of names and things getting covered up. Something weird going on. But I think I got it this time. After, what, let's say 13, well, let's see, actually, the last, well, I'm in the game now, so I don't know. Oh, God help me. Oh my God, I just wanna just jump off the bridge somewhere. Come on, grab the stupid fucking thing. It's not there. Nothing's there. It's at the top, and I added the freaking things in the list, so it does not freaking fucking matter. It doesn't matter what I do. I can't get him in there. The tier 2 is covering up the items. That's iron frames, iron sheets. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it's just covering them up. If I remove I think what I'm gonna have to do is put this tier 2 stuff in the pipe bender. That's what I'm gonna have to do. There isn't really a lot of things. There's just the main construction stuff and whatever, you know. So what I'm gonna do is what I'll do to prove this is I'm just gonna take out the tier 2 stuff for the steel. I'll just cut this, but I won't save it. Well, no, I can save it, and then I'll just add it back in after to prove that it works. It's a duplicate item problem that I've been fighting the whole last 6 hours. Because you gotta have the steel, I guess, at the beginning. All right, this is it right here. Last load. If I get the steel back, then that tells me why. It's because it's covering it up. Oh my god, it's not there. So, what the hell is going on? Is my version covering it up? It's just a regular version. Alright, I'll delete that too. It's the same identical thing with the steel. Alright, edit, undo, steel sheets, steel frames, everything, undo. I'm gonna delete this. I don't understand that. Unless if that save game is affected by a cache or something, which is previously stored memory. Oh my fucking god. Alright, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna exit to the whole game and reload the whole game. I'm making 1 step forward and 10 steps backwards. Because I don't know if it's... First of all, this is Unity. Granted, this game is actually working pretty good. But something is up with the way the modding is attempting to override things. I understand that you don't replace anything, you just add to it and all of this other stuff. Maybe that game save is affected, and every time I make a change, I've got to go to a new game save. That went to the top, you see that? There it is, right there. There's the steel frames. It's something to do with you have to go and restart the game altogether. That's what I haven't been doing the whole time. It makes me wonder, can I put what I had back in there and have it work? Because this is the vanilla stuff down here. I know it for a fact. Item steel sheets, tier 2. Item steel sheets. The iron, wait, the iron stuff. The iron stuff didn't show up. I don't think. So, if this doesn't work, then what I'm going to do is in order to have the duplicate items, I've got to have the tier 2 stuff built somewhere else. I'll just put them in the pipe bender because it's steel. And you can go from the auto lathe to the pipe bender without having to make steel, I think. I could check that. Well, this is loading. Let's see, that's auto lathe. So I look up pipe, item kit pipe. Shit. How do I go backwards? Oh my god. Hydraulic pipe bender uses iron, copper, and gold. So that's where I'm going to end up putting that. This stuff. Alright, let's see what happens. Now, if this works, it's a memory thing where I have to start the whole game over. I'm just not confident. Yeah, it doesn't work. So that's the answer then. I have to build the tier 2 stuff that I want to make is going to be built in the pipe bender. I don't see a problem with it really. Because you just go from the auto lathe. You don't build any tier 2 things anyway. I mean, you don't build steel stuff right from the get-go anyway. And then that way I can have the steel and the iron and all that stuff. It's all going to stay in here the way it's supposed to. That's the end of that. 13 and a half hours streaming. So, do you think there's something wrong with you? No. But maybe there is. I don't know. But I'm definitely done. I got it figured out. we got the Invar stuff built. We got 250 plants. It's going to take 250 plants to make 1 bar of Invar a day. But if they're fertilized, did you see how quick them plants grew? And there was like 5 minutes. I had seeds right there. Um, I mean, I could get 250 plants and then just maybe like if they go that the birds are starting to peep outside. Oh my god. I gotta call it quits. Yeah, something like that. Exit the desktop. Just exit. We might be back in a couple of years. Now that we got this far. Those of you that stuck out with me this long, thanks. Do appreciate it.